Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a very rare Thursday celebration assembly. We're going to kick straight off into it to find out who this week's amazing learners are. We know you're all amazing, but these are the people that are being picked out to be really celebrated this week. And we're starting with Miss Stark.
Hello everybody. Again, you've all been absolutely fantastic this week doing your remote learning, and everybody in year 3 are really proud of every single one of you. This week, my person who's getting the celebration award is going to be going to somebody who's been working really hard on their maths this week. We've been looking at time, and I know that this person actually has a Roman numerals clock in their house, which they've been using to do their learning. And it's been absolutely superb. She's been working through hot, hotter, and hottest this week, and I'm super proud of you. So well done, Amelia. You're getting my celebration award this week.
Well done to you, Amelia. Well done for working so hard with your Roman numerals. And now Mrs. Bruce.
Hello, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Palmer. Yeah, so this week I've chosen somebody who has really been believing in himself, especially in his English learning. And normally this person finds it a little bit tricky with their handwriting, and that slows them up a little bit. But typing seems to have caused a whole new lease of life for this learner. And I'm so impressed. So well done, Toby.
Well done, Toby. Nice artwork, Mrs. Bruce. Over to you, Mrs. Morgan.
Hello. This week we've chosen someone who's worked so hard since learning at home. He does every activity. He often does hot and then hotter. He sends us loads of photos, loads of comments, which are always really lovely. Sometimes he does a spelling test. He writes his spellings in his book and then types them into the comments box to make sure we can see them. He's just been such a star. And this week it's Cayuse. Well done, Cayuse.
Fantastic news, Cayuse. Well done to you for your amazing learning. Coming to Miss Taylor next.
Hi, Year 2. The person I've chosen to celebrate this week is somebody who's been doing so much amazing learning recently. Not only have they been online every day, but they've been doing some learning with amazing life skills as well. This person has been growing vegetables in their garden, and I've seen some great photos of carrots, cucumbers, and bean plants starting to shoot. This person has been developing their baking skills, and they've also been carrying out some science experiments at home. I've really enjoyed seeing all of their photos and videos, so thank you for that. The person that I'm celebrating this week is Esme.
Well done, Esme. Haven't you been busy? Absolutely fantastic. Coming to you next, Miss Clark.
Hello, Year 4. You've been absolutely brilliant with all of your home learning. I'll pick someone this week who's really been believing in themselves. This person sometimes finds it a little bit difficult to focus in class, but they've just been absolutely brilliant. And not only that, they've been really thinking about their level of challenge, not just picking the same level every day. They've obviously looked at it, watched the videos, and thought about the one that will be best for them. They've just been an absolute superstar, and I've been so impressed. And that person is Dalton.
Well done, Dalton. Excellent work by you. Next, we're coming to Miss Shelton and the Caterpillars.
Hello, Nursery. I've been a little bit naughty this week because I've chosen 2 people. I couldn't choose between you. You were both absolutely fantastic. You've worked really hard on all the activities that have been set, sent me loads of pictures and videos so I can see all the wonderful things that you're doing. And that's Sienna and Aisha. Well done, girls.
Well done, the 2 of you. It's only Miss Shelton's 2nd ever celebration assembly, and she's already breaking the rules. Unbelievable, Miss Shelton. Mrs. Avery Bone.
Hello, 180. I would like to say that all of you have been such an amazing learners and keep going with your learning on Google Classrooms. I've also picked 2 people because these 2 people have been really hard to pick from. Their jottings in terms of in their books and things have been amazing. They've been watching the videos that Mr. Hunter and I have been putting on and using that to help their learning. They've been challenging themselves, trying to do hottest and also know when to go back down if they've been finding things tricky. And those 2 people are Katrina and Riley. Well done, guys.
There's 2 people things catching. Katrina and Riley, well done. Coming to you now, Mr. Hunter.
Hi everybody. I just want to say thank you to everyone at home that's working so hard. I know it's very difficult and a bit weird at the moment for everybody, and so many people doing such a great job at home, and that's parents, brothers and sisters, anyone else that's helping at home. It's been really helpful for you guys giving that help to those children at home. So thank you to you guys first of all. The person I'm going to give a special mention to this week is somebody that's been working hard in every single piece of work that's been set. They've completed, I think, pretty much everything that's been set since we first started this journey together. And it's somebody that's also similar to Esme before, doing lots of life skills. They've been walking outside, they've been doing runs and staying active outside, as well as doing all the work that's been set for them as well. And they've been really trying their absolute best to try and get better, even at a time when they're not in the classroom. They've been asking for help and trying to improve on the skills that they've learned at school and the ones they've learned at home as well. So it's really great to hear. And the person that's going to get that special mention today is Erin. Well done, Erin.
Well done to you, Erin. All you're doing. We're going all the way up to year 5 now with Mrs. Gowdy.
Hi 5G, thank you for all of the work that you've been handing in every time you're on the classroom. This week I have chosen somebody, firstly because she has a go at all of the challenges that are set every day. Secondly, because she makes me smile every day with her comments and interactions that she has on the classroom. When she came across a problem with a task this week, she sent me a personal comment and stopped that task for them that amount of time. And then the reason I'm giving this award this week to Gabriella is because she then went back to have a look at the personal comment that she'd written to me, looked at my reply, followed the instructions of what she could try next, and then completed the task. So well done, Gabriella.
Fantastic, Gabriella. Well done for listening to the advice that you were given. We're going to Mrs. Ferrell now.
Hi 5F. The person I've chosen this week is somebody a bit like Mr. Hunter's nomination, somebody who has been on every single day since we've been doing this, and again has done virtually every single task every single day, has worked really hard, has also responded well to advice that she's been given in feedback. And as a bonus, sometimes she uploads photos of her work and it's always got a lovely big beautiful smile poking around the side or over the top, and that just really cheers me up and makes my day when I see those photos from Amy May. So celebrating Amy May's success.
Well done, Amy May. Thank you, Mrs. Ferrell. Coming to reception now, Miss Hammond.
Hello, Ladybirds. Thank you so much for all of your work this week. It's already been amazing. I'm blown away by all of your hard work that you've been doing. But I have chosen somebody who has, just like the last time I did this with Harris Miller, they have been on every single day and working really hard. But this person has sometimes finds learning a little bit challenging and has struggled with the routine and it not being the same as school, but they have really shown lots of resilience and completed all the activities and doing lots of extra activities like in the garden and lots of exercise, which is amazing to see. And this week they spent well, actually it took longer than a week. It took them a whole 8 days, and they really persevered to complete their own Dear Zoo book. So they did a little bit each day and they read it to me, and it was amazing. I'm so proud of them. And that person is Caden. Well done, Caden.
Well done, Caden. That sounds absolutely fantastic. I'd love to see that book. Now, Mrs. How's it going, Miss Carey?
Hello butterflies. We have also been so impressed this week. We have got a class full of superstars, but that does make it really tricky to choose just one person, but we have managed to do that.
Okay, butterflies. So the person we've chosen this week is someone that has been persevering with their learning. They quietly go away and get on with it every single day. They come back and make us smile by sending us pictures and videos and photos of what they've been doing. It's been absolutely wonderful to see. They've been such a perseverant learner too. They're always trying their best, even if they find things challenging, and they're believing in themselves along the way. So this week we have chosen Debbie Lockwood.
Yay!
Well done, Demi. Fantastic. Can we now go to Mrs. Carr?
Hi, Year 6. So like everyone's been saying, it's been really hard to pick just one person this week, but the person I've chosen is because they've been such a resilient learner. Sometimes they find certain learning, like we all do, really, really challenging, but they just do not give up. So we've been setting them tasks and they might find them difficult, but they just keep going. And that person this week is Logan. Well done, Logan.
Congratulations, Logan. Well done. Mrs. Ellis.
Morning, Year 6. Miss Adams and I are going to do a bit of a double act again this morning. But we just wanted to say, awesome work, 6AE. You really are doing so well. Your engagement levels in the tasks is just incredible every day. And I said to Miss Adams yesterday, and I'm sure lots of other teachers will agree with us, that seeing your comments online and having the interaction with you is the highlight of our day. It's absolutely fantastic. So thank you. The person that we've chosen this week is somebody that's been online every single day, someone that has completed every single task that has been set for them. They persevere with absolutely everything. This person has great belief in herself, and she always strives to submit work that is of excellent quality. I'm going to hand over to Miss Adams.
Yeah, and to add to that, this person has really been an independent thinker. And when completing some of her work on percentages, which was a bonus bit of work that she chose to do as an extra, she has been adapting the questions to make them even harder for herself. So changing some of the numbers to make them even harder. So huge well done to Andrea B from 680.
Well done, Andrea. Miss Mays, over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Palmer. My person this week has really, really impressed me since the start of this strange journey at home. Every single day, this person strives to do not only one level of challenge, but all of them. And if this person struggles to understand something, they always message and ask for more work so that they can understand it better next time. I'm really, really impressed with all the things this person is doing. So big well done to Avrat.
Well done, Avrat. Well done for all you're doing. Now, a special treat now for a celebration assembly. We get to hand over to the wonderful Mrs. Palmer.
Thank you very much, Mr. Palmer. It's very nice of you to say so. Hello, everybody. I'm here to tell you about something new that we're going to be doing in Celebration Assembly. So I'm lucky because I get to choose 3 names. So every week at Celebration Assembly, I'm going to choose 3 readers of the week from nominations by your teachers. So your teachers are going to be looking at all your reading that you're doing. So you must tell them, are you sharing picture books with your parents? Are you reading great books? Are you listening to audio books? Maybe reading ebooks? Are you getting stuck into comics? Also, are you maybe joining us on YouTube for my library lockdown book club or my library story time? So please let us know and we can pick some amazing readers out of all you children. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Palmer. Just last thing from me is to say well done for everything, for everybody, all that you're doing at home. We can only celebrate 1 or 2 of you in this way, but every one of you is a superstar. I'm going to hand over to Mr. Pentreath for the last word.
I found my microphone. Hooray! Sorry about that delay, and well done for sitting so still for so long. It's lovely to be with you all, and what a lovely assembly. As Mr. Palmer has said, we can only celebrate 1 or maybe 2 children in these assemblies, but we would really love to read out 300 or 400 names because we're so proud of each and every one of you. We know how hard you're working. We know how hard your mums and dads and older brothers and sisters and younger brothers and sisters are trying hard to help you. And we're incredibly proud of all of you. Tomorrow is a special day. It's a day called VE Day celebration. We would have been having big celebrations in school tomorrow if we were all here, but we're not. So we'd like you to think a little bit about that as you celebrate VE Day in your home. At 11 o'clock, there will be a 2-minute silence across the whole country. You've done that before in school. You might remember we did it in November. You could choose to do that tomorrow at 11 o'clock if you wanted to remember all the men and ladies that served in the war and helped us achieve victory at that time. We hope that you have a lovely weekend. You haven't got any work to do tomorrow, schoolwork that is. So we hope that you get some enjoyment, that you have some fun, that you play some games, and that you enjoy the sunny weather. We miss you all, but we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much. Have fun. Bye-bye.
One final thing. We want to give you all a clap. Well done, everybody. Have a good weekend. Bye.